These viral skeleton educational videos are getting millions of views right now, and tons of creators are posting them on YouTube Shorts. For example, this brand new channel called Dr. Data began posting only around 4 months ago, and they've already pulled in almost 5 lakh plus subscribers and a massive 316 million plus views from just 94 videos. Now, even if we use an RPM estimate of just 25 cents for every 1,000 views, 316 million views would have already made around $79,000, which is honestly insane. What makes it even crazier is that this channel is only using AI to create its content. And in this full course, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can learn how to create videos like this using completely free AI tools, so anyone can start creating right now. Now, to make this type of video, first of all, we will need a special prompt, which I have already prepared. So first of all, copy this special prompt from the link given in the description, then open the ChatGPT, and here simply paste this special prompt. Now, ChatGPT will analyze this special prompt and provide you with ideas for the top 10 topics, and you can see just how amazing these topics are. Now, here you can either provide a topic to yourself or simply select whichever topic you like from the options provided by ChatGPT. Like, I prefer option number 1 here, so I'll go ahead and select that one. I'll just type 1 right here and send it. Now, ChatGPT, much like those very channels, has provided scene-by-scene visual prompts for every scene, encompassing both the video script and the visuals. Now, I will use Google Gemini to generate visuals. That's now I have to go to Google Gemini. But before that, it is essential for you to know in which style you will generate the image. Don't worry, I've already created reference images from various angles and in different styles. You'll find the link in the description, so you can download them from there. Next, simply copy the visual prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, upload the reference image, and click Generate. Now, Gemini will generate an image in just a few moments, and as you can see, it has generated image, and it's too good. We'll simply go ahead and download it. Now, we need to generate the subsequent images using this same process. So we need to go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for day 1, come over to Gemini, upload the same image, and paste the prompt. Then simply click on Generate. Now, we will also generate all the images using the same process. Now that all the images have been generated, we need to add motion to them, that is, convert them into a video, for which we are going to use Google VEO. So I will search Flow AI, and I will go this website. Once you have logged in here, an interface like this will appear. Now simply click on New Project. Now you need to click here the video section, then select a frame and choose your aspect ratio. Next, set this one to single 1 as well. And here in the model, you just need to keep the 3.1 fast model. Here in the first frame, we need to upload our image. Then we simply paste the prompt for the first visual, provided by ChatGPT, right here, like this. Then simply click on Generate. Similarly, we need to upload our day 1 image, then copy the day 1 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click on the Generate. Now, once the video has been generated, we need to download it from here. Using this exact same process, I will upload all my images one by one, day by day. Then, by copying and pasting the daily prompts from ChatGPT, I will generate the video. Now that we have all the visuals ready, we just need to create the video using any software. So here I'll be using CapCut, since it is the easiest to use and is also beginner friendly. But before that, I will generate the voice of this video. For that, I will go to ElevenLabs. Now, let's move on to the text-to-speech section. Here, under Model, we will find a wide variety of options, from which I will select this one. Then I will go to ChatGPT, copy the script, paste it here in ElevenLabs, and then click on Generate. The voice is ready now. I'll download it from here. So, in CapCut, before creating the final video, having excellent background music is of utmost importance. And for this, I will head over to the YouTube Studio dashboard, and we need to navigate to the audio library here. And here, you will find every type of background music and sound effect, and almost all of them are copyright free. Now, I will download this background music from here. Now, go to the CapCut. Then, first off, import the background music here, and then lower its volume to -25. We will also import the voice audio that I generated using ElevenLabs right here, just like this. Next, we will import all the visuals, one by one and scene by scene. After that, we will place all the visuals onto the timeline. Now, we will select all the video clips together and lower their volume to -50 so that the video's audio doesn't become irritating. Then, I will cut and arrange the clips according to the voiceover, something like this. Now, to save the video, we will click on Export at the top here and save it.
What happens if you stop drinking water for just 3 days? Day 1. Your body feels normal, but dehydration quietly begins. Day 2. Your mouth turns dry. Energy drops fast. Day 3. Your body struggles. Dizziness and confusion take over. Day 4. Organs begin shutting down. Survival becomes critical. Day 5. Your heartbeat weakens. Extreme dehydration hits. Day 6. Your body collapses. No energy left. Day 7. Your system fails. Complete shutdown begins. Final result. Severe dehydration leads to total body failure.
I hope you understood everything clearly. You will find the reference images and special prompts used in the video's description. Subscribe now for more interesting videos like this.